How to download Playstore on your PC. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through a step-by-step process on how you can download Playstore on your PC. Google Play Store is the official app store for Android devices, which is exclusively available only for Android devices. But if you want to download it on your PC, you will have to download an Android emulator. So in order to do that, you first need to open up your web browser and then search for BlueStacks. Once you search for it, search for BlueStacks download and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see on the web browser and click on download BlueStacks. I recommend you download BlueStacks 5, which is the latest version of BlueStacks. You can also scroll down to download the versions that are optimized for Windows and go ahead and click on download BlueStacks. Once you do that, the installation file will be completed right here. And once you do that, you can just open it up to download the application. I already have my BlueStacks, so I'm just gonna run it. So click on yes and it will start installing your BlueStacks. I already have BlueStacks, so I'm just gonna open it up. And once your application is downloaded, you just want to open up your BlueStacks like this, wait for it to load. So once you get here, you will already see the official logo for Google Play Store, and you can search for games here. And once you search for games, hit enter. These are the available games for BlueStacks app. Now you just want to head over to this app player right here. And once you do that, it will open up a different window. This one is completely different from your original BlueStacks. So once your BlueStacks app player is up and running, you will see the App Center, which will open the previous App Center like this one. Now you just want to head over to System Apps, click on this folder, and you will find the Play Store here. So this is the official Play Store. Just make sure to log into your account, and then you should be able to download any Android apps on your computer. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.